Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Tecno Pova 6 Pro and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. Set it, open settings application, in it choose your SIM cards and network settings, and there we must tap on our data usage. When we have we must tap on our package setup. There we must turn on one phone master function. To set our data limits, we go back and choose again data usage and package setup. We allow there, and now we start to set it. First step, your package priorities. There we can set for how many days we want. Maybe 30 days is 1 month. There we can set when we start it, maybe first day of each month, and there how many we want in our limit. 15 megabytes, 1 gigabytes, or we can enter our number, but remember that's 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. Maybe we set 6000 and it will be 6 gigabytes, and now we must confirm it and we have our data limits. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.